Guess what about cancer to an afana. Serious now. I say Abraham to be honest. Yeah, I'm from okay now. You know, form 3. This is form 1 student back. As some channel from a territory where I can say, we be jump over between the law, my body being a punishment for what we're in the same class. Level.
Oh, so you want respect? You want respect? Then respect yourself on campus.
And I'm respecting more than I miss a quote something I'm a Mumbai. I'm respecting more than me jam Miriam Kofa. Am I a vampire?
Okay. All right, you pull her hair again and you see what will happen.
I'm a moon class. Why they were hate and run one far? It's my dog.
I am warning you. Leave her alone and stop touching her hair. Leave her alone.
They put the furniture. I mean, I'm moving away about time. I'm a movie feeling pokra. I forget to cry. I don't catch on sometimes they don't do any because let me have a casa meaning also. I'm going to one shower. So getting 2 and 4 from our I don't never from the socketing a credible moment or that casa the bee.
Socket too.
I mean, no, small time. I'll follow up more for my back.
Action.
Too much.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, I'm really disappointed in you.
As in how?
I'm peeved. I mean, what do you think you're doing?
I'm from a because I'm from Soccer. I tell my.
You know, because you know I feel you and I can't be reporting you, you are taking advantage of that.
I said, feel my Muslim feel under a conquer behind the man between you. But why I'm from the rap actually.
I'm rapping.
No,
do I look like a rapper?
No, the way I can paragraphs be reading actually. What have I done? At long last, what have I done? And I know what have I done?
You proposed to a girl and she said no. So why won't you leave her alone?
Abigail, I'm
Franca.
I'll propose them. Am I ready for marriage? I'm a son of a is she a white lady? I'm a target new. What's I will propose that? Why the moon old child, beautiful girl, me feel when I did. The most more missing feel when you feel. Only proposing. I'm a son of a also, I'm missing
too much. Too much, please. Put a stop to it. I don't want this to get too far. Stop it. Leave that girl alone. Okay?
Now, also, let me feel in the proposal. So, the feeling I'm feeling on my hit and run. Proposing item for the serious girl. Now, 1 year, I don't catch you.
Is that why you were brought here? You are here to study. So leave the Form 1 students alone.
It's only my parents will be working on myself. And so, anywhere they were catching, I'm here to stay.
Really?
How do you?
Too much. You are pushing me. Do you know that?
Have I touched you?
You are pushing me.
I thought you were pushing me. Now,
stop disturbing that girl.
What? Yeah,